nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Oh my gosh, we've got a nail mail haul. This one is from Rossi, and you guys, maybe I did a little crazy thing again. So I got a package there, and this is inside of a big package, and then another package, and then another package. So you guys know they do lots of packaging. I'm going to unpackage a whole bunch of this stuff and then show you guys what's inside. I'm going to start by taking off the plastic from these boxes, and then you're going to notice that there are more boxes like this. I'll show you what they look like. And once you get them outside of their the plastic, you have these boxes that say Rossi nails on them, and let us open these and see what they are. I have ordered 2 kits, I know that. So inside this box, you're going to find another box. So this is a Glam Powder box that comes with 6 powders. So this is how their kits come packaged. And you also get a little thank you card, and this is for, it'll give you a code in order for you to get 10% off of your next order, which is really, really nice. That also comes in the box. So let me go ahead and take the plastic off of this, and we'll see what else we have. Okay, so I went ahead and took the plastic off of the dip powder boxes, and I went ahead and opened this one, so let's go ahead and see what's in there. This is their cuticle oil. Oh, I'm excited about this. Let's go ahead and have a little look-see about what's going on in there. They have lots of different, I was about to say flavors, but they're not flavors, they're scents. They have lots of different scents, and I thought I got the peach one, but it looks like I went with the fresh lemonade. So, let's see, has it been a while? It's been a while since I put on some cuticle oil. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. So looking at the consistency, okay. The brush is nice. Goes in super smooth, kind of giving it a smell. It does not smell anything like fresh lemonade. It smells more florally, actually. But that's not bad. I mean, it doesn't have a bad smell. It has a good smell. Let's go ahead and we'll just put this on and see how it goes for the remainder of this time, shall we? Oh, a little out of focus there, sorry. We'll go ahead and smooth that in. And in the meantime, I will tell you about the 2 kits that I got. So the 2 kits that I got are I'll Have a Martini and Don't Need Your Approval. Y'all, there better be some glitter powders in here, which is really what I was going after. So let's pull out the first couple of boxes and see what I've got. Okay, that looks like a purple glitter. So I bet this is the I'll Have a Martini set. Ooh, a blue glitter. This is definitely I'll Have a Martini. Ooh, pretty. You know what? I'm going to back up my camera so you can see all of these at one time. Give me a sec. Whoop. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, and with the magic of camera, let me show you what these look like without the boxes. Ooh, they're pretty, and most of them, almost all of them, in fact, are glitter dips. So you'll see right here the I'll Have a Martini. I paid $24.99 for the whole set, which means I paid just a little bit more than $4 for each of these pots. I will tell you this though, I ordered these from the American site, the .com site, and they were, there's actually less in them than when you buy them on the .de site or the German site or the European site. Anyway, I thought that was kind of interesting, and the front of them looks a little bit different. In any event, I will swatch those in a little bit, but let's go ahead and see what the other one looks like. The other one should be Don't Need Your Approval. I'm going to dump these out for you guys. I might have a repeat of one of the colors that I already have, so I think it's this one. I think it might be included in another kit, but we shall see. We shall see. Oh goodness, I didn't even show you the colors on the other one. Okay, anyway, I'll do that for this one, and then I'll go back and tell you about the I'll Have a Martini ones. This one's Gold Digger, which I'm pretty sure I have that one already. Maybe I'll share that one with a friend. And this one is the color Frosty. Okay, which is kind of interesting because it doesn't look very white. I think it's supposed to be like speckled with glitter in it. This one is Twinkle Twinkle, which I already have. That's actually this kind of shimmery, really pretty one. So I didn't realize that I got 2 of those either, but that's kind of annoying, but whatever, whatever. I don't need your approval. Ooh, this is fun. Las Vegas Nights. It's like black with a little bit of shimmery in it. And then we've got Skyscraper. I believe this is just a gray color. And oh, how funny. Skyscraper is actually in the other one that I got. So I have several doubles now. Yay me. And finally, I've got Made My Day, which I'm almost positive I have this color as well. So that's, be careful when you're buying the kits. Sometimes you're going to get doubles of some of those colors. Anyway, so these are the colors that are included in Don't Need Your Approval. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those for you, but let me share with you very quickly the colors for the, I'll have a martini because I forgot to do that. Sorry, peeps. Endless Galaxy is your purple glitter color. That's going to be really pretty. We've got our Mermaid blue color. Very pretty. Super excited about that one. Then we've got Confetti, which is a pink glitter. We've got Posh. I'm not really sure what color Posh is. And then we also have Skyscraper. I think this is a gray, and I think this one's supposed to be sparkly. We'll see when I swatch it. And then finally we have Celebration, which is fun. All right, let's go ahead and do some swatching. I will swatch it, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. So I'll do this first one with you. You guys should know that when you open them, you want to make sure to shake them up really well to stir up the color because it settles over time. And of course, you want to peel off the protection layer. I keep this though so that it doesn't come out, and I try to push it up into there. Okay, and of course you want to stir again. So I'm using the back of something, and I'm just going to stir again. This is really pretty. Woo-wee! And if you shake, you're going to see those loose bits fall further down, and that the glitters will come up to the top. So I'm just using an older, I don't use for my swatches, I don't use a nice gel polish. I also use the gel polish method, so I want to use the gel polish method when I swatch. Okay, I'm just going to grab one of my swatcheroos, put on just a thin layer. I always do two layers with my swatches. But as you guys know, with dip, you probably need to do more than 2 layers. And then this is how I do it when I'm swatching. I never do it this way when I'm dipping. I usually pour over when I'm dipping. Tap off the extra. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty! And then I bake it or put it into the curing light for about a minute. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches on the rest of these colors, and then I will show you what they look like. Okay, once again, this is the I'll Have a Martini one, and there are lots of really pretty glitters in here. This color, Posh, I believe. Posh is not anything like I thought it would be. So here's our Mermaid color, very pretty. This one is Posh. I thought it's more like a lavender, kind of gray purple, really pretty, but not what I expected from the side for sure. This one is Skyscraper, and to me, it's reminiscent. I mean, it almost looks identical to Twinkle Twinkle. Like pretty doggone close. So this one is Twinkle Twinkle. This one is Skyscraper. You can see how close they really are. So I'm not sure in the future if you guys are thinking about it. I'm not sure I would order both of them. Okay, and then we've got this beautiful purple glitter. This one was Endless Galaxy. Really cool glitter. And then this one is called Confetti. I love it. I will show you though that it reminded me of the Pink Princess. So this one is Pink Princess and Confetti side by side. The Confetti's definitely more darker pink, and it's got the more coverage definitely in one coat. So both of these are only 2 coats, so that you can see the Pink Princess is more like a topper, and this one is more like if you wanted the whole thing to be pink glitter. And finally, we've got this last color called Celebration, which is kind of a combination of silvers and golds. Really pretty. I like it. It did remind me of another color that I got Similar was Gold Digger, and this is in the other kit. Similar, but very, very different. This is like a brighter gold, and this is more of a bronzy gold with hollow flakes. So this one is more gold and silver together. So that is your I'll Have a Martini set. So now I'm going to swatch the other set and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, and for a second set, once again, I paid $25 for this one, just a little over $4 a vial. And this is the Don't Need Your Approval. Here is the Gold Digger color. I showed it to you just a moment ago. I'm in love with Frosty. Frosty has this iridescent flakes on top. They're so pretty. Really, really nice topper right there. And then we've got this beautiful Las Vegas Nights. There's a lot of glitter in this one, but it's got a black base, so it's really, really pretty. And this one is Made My Day. There we go. And these two, the two that are very close, they were in the same set. One's supposed to be like a darker shimmer, and that's the Twinkle Twinkle and the Skyscraper. So the Skyscraper is supposed to be like a more, well, a darker shimmer, I guess. And they look really close though, guys. Just so you can see there. Okay, so there you have it. Another great big haul from Rossi. So thanks, Rossi, for having such a great sale again. And on top of that, I got my fresh lemonade. I used to have a code that worked for them, but I don't anymore. And I mean, it doesn't work. So thanks a lot, Rossi. And I don't know if that ever is going to come back. But if you guys want to try the code Groove Mama, you're welcome to. And people, like this video, subscribe. Those are awesome things. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Groove Mama. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye.